Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are managing a website with Squarespace and want to delete a page in 2026, the process is simple, but you need to be careful because deletion is permanent. Deleting a page removes it completely from your site. There is no undo button after it's gone. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to delete a page in Squarespace in 2026 safely, cleanly, and without breaking your site. So first thing first, open the pages panel. So log into Squarespace. Okay, let's go to the home page. So open your website. Go home, go pages. This panel controls all pages and navigation. Find the page you want to delete. Okay. Look under main navigation, footer navigation, or not linked. You can delete pages from any section. So hover over the page name, okay, and click the trash icon, okay, or click the settings icon and delete the page. Squarespace asks for confirmation, delete or confirm deletion. Once confirmed, the page is gone. Okay, so after deletion, page disappears from pages panel, menu updates automatically, URL no longer loads. If visitors access the old URL, they will see a 404 error. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.